What's going on, guys? Today is my girlfriend's birthday and my niece is helping me pack up or load up our necessities that we have. Look at this. We got the drinks. We got the cooler full of the food. Some tea leaf in there too. Some banana leaves. I don't know if we're gonna use that. We got the Trulies. Got my mom. Got my niece. With the potato wedges. Stay tuned, guys. We got a lot coming. What's going on, guys? So we got a lot of shit to unload. Watch this time lapse real quick. This cooler coming up is the real winner. Situation right now is I need to cut the crab, king crab. I got some king crab for our birthday. So I'm gonna cut it up right now. So knock it in front. I'm gonna leave some pieces whole, like this, so that way I know which one I need to grab. Oh, thanks, Ari. Now I'm gonna cut up some already peeled garlic. How's that shit, huh? And I'm gonna make one with the kine mushrooms and butter. Go ahead, drop this stick of butter. Just let it plop inside. Did you need water? Yes. I don't know. Check that out, guys. Not one, but 2 levels. Oh, that was a tree. Hold on. Give it a shake.
Go top.
We're grilling and chilling, guys. What's up? Okay, no throw nothing in there, bro. I'm gonna adjust the heat. Hilo. You don't like that dark color, you like the bottom part. Where's your pen? Sauce stuff. Love you, baby. Happy birthday.
You don't have Corona, yeah?
What is that? Never heard of that in my life. Where you blowing that from? We hungry.
lot.
But you're gonna put that on top?
Realize what your heart
Happy birthday, Martha! Happy birthday! All for you! It's your birthday! That's why he said lock him up. Happy birthday! It's so good. I'll eat it.
5 minutes, guys. You get 5 minutes.
You're 22! Where's Martha? Smiley!
Where's
You're
that?
22! This is all...
That's how Uncle wants it. Uncle wants it everywhere.
That kind of thing.
Safe like that, plain like that, got a Jake like that. Straight up facts, great race. Straight up facts, great race.
Papa, get one more.
One out there. We gotta move real fast, guys.
Okay, so you guys tell us and then let's go do that. Hold on.
5 minutes. Hey, we hungry.
Thank you, Alan, for the I get right there.
I just think how that one.
You crazy kid.
Okay, well,
Let's just bow our heads.
hey, stop.
Dear Heavenly Father, we give you all the praises and all the glory. We thank you for this beautiful night that we all can come together and celebrate a birthday and an anniversary. And Lord, bless us for many, many more to come.
I love pork. What else do you want? Rice? Pork? Pork?
No, we get one for when you
Pork? You want noodles?
So we get one that is also
You want a little crab or you want a shrimp? Crab or ring. We're going to do this one and then Mom got a crack down for you. You want some french fries? How was it? How was it?
Oh my God, do you see the eye? Look at that.
Or you got that hand girl, get that fork.
Get personal with this shot.
They have the thing where everybody can go on and what's a little bit?
Come on, baby. Eat.
Oh wow, okay. Damn. Okay. Keep going.
Oh, I didn't even get any wings, bro.
I do.
Okay, one more.
Hey.
You want your birthday, huh?
Yeah, just gotta take it slow and steady. Or really fast.
Come on, lift your head and go to that place. Inseparable, my baby, like a honey love.
Happy birthday to you. Woo! Happy birthday to you. Woo! Happy birthday, dear Ida. Woo! Happy birthday to you. Woo!
live at the zoo. Oh, come on!
So, can you tell us what we got over here?
Okay, so we have homemade chocolate chip cookie with M&M brownies on the inside. We got Reese's Pieces cheesecake and Oreo cheesecake with a chocolate ganache. It's gonna be good.
Did I make your mukbang dreams come true?
I'm gonna have a booty now. Food with the booty. Yeah, you did. You definitely did. I got to eat all like that.
Real quick disclaimer. I asked my girlfriend, what kind of party do you want, babe? Do you want a drinking party or get drunk? She's like, no. I want an eating party, babe. I want to eat food. Just kidding, not that kind of party.
We hungry!